We've made our business successful by really focusing on impeccable service. That's why we treat everyone with the same care and attention every single time. And now we're proud to share an incredible review with you right now. It's obvious that great experiences like this always make us smile. Knowing that everyone is happy is our strongest motivation. We believe that our future success comes from our success today, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services sometime soon. But don't take their word for it. We're confident you'll love our exceptional service and attention to detail that have become our specialty. So why wait? Contact us today at the number on your screen. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.